Hey, fellow travelers, if Rhodes, Greece is on your radar for your next adventure, you're in the right place. I'm here to give you the inside scoop on what to see, what to do, and how to make the most out of your time on this incredible island. So, let's dive in. First up, you can't talk about Rhodes without mentioning the Old Town. This isn't just any historic district, it's literally a medieval wonderland. Picture cobblestone streets, towering stone walls, and charming little shops tucked into ancient buildings. Seriously, just wandering around here feels like stepping back in time. My top tip? Get lost on purpose. There's something magical about letting the maze of streets surprise you. Now, make sure you don't skip the Palace of the Grand Master. This fortress is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and honestly, it looks straight out of a fantasy movie. Stroll through the grand halls, check out the mosaics, and snap a few photos with those massive stone gates. It's a must-see for history buffs and Instagrammers alike. But hey, Rhodes isn't all ancient ruins and stone walls. If you're craving some sun, Lindos is your next stop. This coastal town is all whitewashed houses and blue rooftops, perched on a hillside overlooking turquoise waters. The Acropolis of Lindos is perched way up there, and trust me, the view from the top is totally worth the climb. After you've soaked in the history, treat yourself to a swim at St. Paul's Bay. Crystal clear and super refreshing. Hungry? You've got to try some local food. Grab a table at a seaside taverna and dig into fresh seafood, juicy souvlaki, or a classic Greek salad with feta straight from the source. And if you're feeling adventurous, order some meze and sample a little bit of everything. Let's talk activities. If you love the outdoors, there's so much to do in Rhodes. Try windsurfing at Presnisi Beach, or take a hike through the Valley of the Butterflies, especially in summer when thousands of butterflies fill the air. And for a super chill afternoon, rent a boat and explore some of the smaller nearby islands. It's the perfect way to find your own little slice of paradise. Before you leave, don't forget to watch the sunset from Monty Smith Hill. It's just outside Rhodes town, and the view of the sun dipping into the Aegean is simply unforgettable. So whether you're into ancient history, gorgeous beaches, or just soaking up the laid-back Greek lifestyle, Rhodes truly has something for everyone. Pack your bags, bring your curiosity, and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next trip.